Hey, what's up guys? Jack and Matt here with the Toasty Bros, and today we have here an all-in-one PC and we're gonna put it to the test in gaming.
This is one of the best sellers on Amazon and we just wanna know why. And we're gonna see if we can actually play some games while being a pretty decent office PC option. But before we get into that, let's hear a word from today's sponsor.
Today's video is brought to you by Karma, formerly known as ShopTagger. If you love saving money, then Karma is the perfect tool for you. I recently added Karma to my web browser and have loved how easy it is for me to save money when shopping for PC hardware on websites such as Best Buy and AliExpress. With the market being as bad as it is right now, you really could use all the help you can get to snag a good deal for your next gaming PC. Karma is very simple to use. All you have to do is download the Google Chrome extension, browse to your favorite supported website, and click the Karma button in the top right corner. From here you can start creating a list of items you want to buy and you'll be notified via email or mobile when they drop in price, allowing you to pick them up at the perfect time. We've made a list of some PC parts that we actually plan on using for a future PC build, and once we get notified that some of the prices on these PC components have dropped, we're definitely going to pick them up for a PC build guide. Karma also uses clever tech to scan the web for coupon codes to automatically apply them at checkout, so you can get some instant savings on products you're looking to buy. This feature is exclusive to the desktop Google Chrome extension. You can also even earn cash back on supported websites, making this free extension a no-brainer. If you love to save money, which I know you do, please check the link in the description down below and install Karma today. Special thanks again to Karma for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into the video, shall we?
So I was browsing on Amazon to find some good content for you guys, and I stumbled upon a all-in-one PC. This PC features an Athlon processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 SSD, and it does come in at $600. Now, the selling point for all-in-ones is obviously it comes with the monitor and everything all-in-one, but I just kind of wanted to see what a lower end or budget all-in-one could actually do, and if it's worth picking up for a cheap little gaming rig.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up now and see why this is an Amazon #1 seller. Unboxing time. So yeah, what we have here is basically, I think it's like a 3000G. It's a 3105U.
Yeah, something like that. It's
something
like a mobile
like that.
version of the Athlon.
I'm assuming it's a 2-core, 4-thread. You know, you get your Athlon graphics, which are basically Vega graphics. It looks kind of like, reminds me of like an iMac or something. It has a white bezel. Looks pretty cool. I guess we'll take out what I assume to be the keyboard first. The real question is, are they oh my god.
Ooh, white.
Oh my god, dude. Listen to those freaking Omron switches, dude.
That the
like,
Model O?
Freaking beautiful. I think it is. It's really lightweight, honestly. We have a power brick with the adapter, really basic like startup instructions. It does look like you have an extra HDMI, so that's one cool part about these is usually the more you pay, the more ports you get, but with this one you do have an option to add a second monitor. So here's the actual keyboard, and oh my gosh, it's so white. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not, this reminds me of like some really OG technology, just white keyboard. Like, when's the last time you saw a white keyboard? But
been a while.
Hey, at least they come with it for free, I guess. Okay, let's just get the whole reason you guys came here. All right, so actually opening the computer up, there's a really nice range of motion to it. It does look like it comes with a webcam. Oh, look at that.
Oh, privacy camera.
That is fancy. Okay, so yeah, I got like a little pop-up camera that has a microphone built in as well. It looks like it has 2 of them. Really nice like hairpin style legs. Once again, white bezel. I don't know, do you think it comes in any other colors?
I think it's only white.
Yeah, only white, all right. But yeah, we have an Athlon Gold. Pretty cool, huh? And then obviously we have AMD Radeon graphics because, well, built-in graphics. So there's no discrete graphics card in this. Keep in mind, it's an all-in-one. You're not gonna be able to upgrade the graphics card because that's an all-in-one's an all-in-one, you know? Can't really do much with it, but on the bright side, you typically can upgrade like RAM on these. I don't know if you can on this one though. I don't know, probably not worth the upgrade. It's definitely, I mean, it's hefty, but it doesn't feel like it's much bigger than just a standard monitor. We'll go ahead and go see if there's any ports in the bottom. We have a full-size SD card reader on the bottom, it's really random. And then on the actual back of the computer, not the monitor, the computer. Yeah, I know, we got a combo jack, we have an Ethernet or LAN port, we have HDMI, we have a power port. Looks like we have 2 USB 2s and 2 USB 3s. I mean, it's, you know, about what a laptop would come with, honestly. Like, really, when you think about it, this is a laptop.
Oh, you missed a big thing on the left over there.
Oh, DVD CD drive.
There you go.
Dude, I can't believe something still has that these days. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it as far as appearance goes. We don't think it's touchscreen or anything. I think that's pretty much it as far as the external features go. We should probably just get it turned on, see what kind of bloatware it comes with. Maybe load some games on it and see how it does. So, there's the DVD drive. Oh my God, dude, it's so janky.
Uh-oh, I think we have power.
Is it working?
HP. Okay, guys, we are playing Valorant on all those settings at 1080p.
And it's
playable.
Yeah,
somewhat.
I get it's very stuttery. Like it shows we're getting like 60, 70 FPS, but it honestly does not. It is tearing like so bad too.
Maybe lock the it's probably gonna dip below 60, but ooh, we got a kill, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, this kind of just gives you like an idea of what you can play. I know Minecraft's gonna run really well. A game like Roblox would probably run pretty well. But Valorant, which is a really low graphics intensive game, is not running too great. So I don't have super high expectations for other games. Like I wouldn't recommend Fortnite for this. I probably wouldn't recommend Fortnite.
But we're
That's
gonna
really all
try
you need to know.
Fortnite. We're gonna see.
Oh yeah, we do have
but
Fortnite, don't we?
We do have it as an option, but yeah. But of course, we're just doing this for the fun of doing it. It's not really designed for gaming, but if you got this as like a home computer or family computer, office computer kind of deal, could you play some games on it? Well, stuff like this, you know, definitely our favorite game here at the Toasty Bros Bean Battles would work really well, you know. But one thing we've been talking about is we really like the screen on this thing. It's actually pretty bright, looks good, the speakers are nice. So in terms of just a usable computer, I mean, I can't complain too much about it.
No, I mean, I'm sure for like office use, you know, watching YouTube and whatnot, it'd be a very enjoyable experience. But she can't hit me.
I think she hit you. But yeah, there you go.
Next
That's
game.
Valorant. Let's try another game. All right, guys, we are now in everyone's favorite game of Fortnite. And on default, it did go with the performance rendering mode, which is what I was gonna go with anyways, but basically view distance on far, meshes on low, and the 3D resolution was at 66%, but we're gonna move it up to 100 just for now to get true 1080p. And yeah, we're gonna go and queue up for a game and see how it goes. All right, guys, we are in Fortnite. We already dropped it down to 71% resolution scale. We need to drop it all the way down to like, basically mini pixel mode, whatever, but we're gonna go all the way down here, let the frame rate settle down a little bit and see what we're working with. I have not seen 60 yet. The only time I've seen 60 was in the menu, so I'm not really expecting much more. Those AMD graphics are pretty much maxed at 100%. They keep dropping down from like 80 to 100 to 50. It's like all over the place. So who really knows what kind of performance we're getting here, but we're gonna land, pick up a gun and see what kind of frame rate we have.
Bro.
Hey! Oh. I did it to him. All right, there we go. Okay, 60 FPS. Look at this. It's definitely stuttery, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, it does not feel great. I'll be totally upfront with you here. It's not the greatest in the world, but it is 60 FPS and it is technically playable, but I bet if I get in a big enough fight, it's gonna drop really, really low.
But hey, if you're on a budget and you just happen to have this computer,
you can play games.
Pretty good.
Or you're at school and you just see it and you're like, I wonder if I could game on that. You technically can.
Athlon 3150, gamer ready.
And then what we're gonna do, going down to 50%.
Oh God, I didn't know you could go that low.
You can go, oh, look at this. Oh,
ooh, butter
this
smooth.
Is butter smooth. All right, here we go. Yeah!
Bro, it's a bot.
Oh,
dude,
he almost
just
got
died
me.
to that
He
bot.
almost got me, not gonna lie. But hey, look at that. We're a little bit smoother. We're at 90 FPS.
Oh, he's spectating you, dude.
It looks awful. I am not gonna lie.
Playable though.
Yeah, definitely way more playable, actually.
I mean, dude, he's over here with 2 freaking kills.
Yeah, look at that. It's playable. We're at 100 FPS on an all-in-one. But yeah, I mean, I killed 2 people. I'm pretty proud of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and test one more game, Minecraft, which we know is definitely gonna run.
all right. So this is Minecraft. We are on like max here. I'm gonna let everything load in while I show you guys the settings, but basically max settings. So, you know, that's definitely gonna cause
no VSyncs on. We can probably turn that off.
Issues. I'm gonna turn that off. Didn't even notice any of this stuff. But yeah, we're basically like maxed out right now. So, but yeah, see, like now that we've loaded stuff. Okay, hold on. Still loading. The problem is we need to go underground.
Oh, is that what it is? All right, there we go. Oh, look down, 100 FPS. Sky test, you ready? Oh, that's actually worse.
Wait.
Oh.
Just don't move. 100. Okay, it's still
100.
going.
Look at all those.
Okay, we got 160 off that.
High refresh rate experience.
But yeah, I mean, even with like the, okay, I'm just gonna turn down. I keep, every time I go to talk, it's like, okay, you know, let's run like crap now. Let's just change down the render distance a little bit. Turn bobbing off, because he uses bobbing for real.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
See, we just need a little less render distance and smooth Minecraft experience now. I mean, look at this, we can mine wood easily.
Y'all can listen to these speakers real quick. We'll be quiet. Just listen to this beautiful music.
Dude, you don't even need headphones to this.
Yep, that's the gaming on this thing. Yeah, let's do a webcam test real quick. Woo. There's the webcam. What does it sound like? I don't know what it sounds like. We can swap between what you're hearing on our camera and that. Does it sound good? It actually looks not that bad.
They're pretty good for Zoom calls and stuff, you know?
Zoom calls.
We're not even facing the right lighting either. It should be even worse than this normally, but I don't know, it's kind of vibrant.
I like it.
So as you guys could tell, this PC would probably be great for running older games like CSGO, Garry's Mod, any of the Valve games, and of course even newer games like Fortnite, Valorant, and Minecraft. It did run all of them somewhat playable, but definitely not a great experience.
Of course, it's not an ideal option if you're wanting to get something that'll work for now and then upgrade later, because there's no upgrading you can do to this thing. It is what it is. So if you want an all-in-one solution that, well, won't totally break the bank, you should definitely consider this, and check the link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link and it does help us out. But yeah, this is kind of our change of pace with the PC market being what it is. We're trying some new stuff like this, and we've checked out a lot of pre-builds recently. So if you guys have anything you want to take a look at, like laptops, pre-builds, different things like that, comment down below and we'll be happy to consider them.
So we appreciate you guys watching today's video. If you haven't already, don't forget to check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. You want to see something really, really fresh? This really nice new merch over at Teespring, not .com/ToastyBros. Just check the link in the description down below because it's a really long URL. Hopefully we'll fix that in the future, but awesome merch. If you want to rep the Toasty Bros, check down below.
Teespring.com/ToastyBros.
It's not that.
Peace
Don't
out, guys.
listen to him.